If you're considering Flow for your project management needs, there are a few things you need to know before making that decision. While it might be a solid option, it's important to weigh it against other competitors to make sure it's the right fit for your team. Let's dive in and break down the top things you should know. The first thing to note is that Flow has an intuitive interface, but it might take some time to fully master. Unlike some other platforms like Asana or Trello, Flow provides a more streamlined approach, but it's not as customizable out of the box. If you need advanced features, be prepared for a bit of a learning curve. Next thing, Flow offers task and project management features that are solid but not groundbreaking. The ability to track progress with boards and lists is great for teams that prefer simplicity. However, if you're used to the more robust features of tools like Monday.com, Flow might feel a bit too basic in comparison, especially when it comes to reporting and analytics. The third thing to know is Flow's collaboration tools. It's got everything you need for effective communication, including comments, task assignments, and file sharing. But, compared to other software like ClickUp, it lacks certain features like real-time chat or a full-fledged document management system, which might leave teams wanting more. The fourth thing to consider is Flow's integration options. It offers integrations with Google Drive, Dropbox, and Slack, which is great. However, if your team uses a wider range of tools, such as Salesforce or HubSpot, you'll find that Flow doesn't integrate with as many third-party apps as some other project management platforms, like ClickUp or Asana. Another thing is Flow's mobile app. While it's functional and lets you manage tasks on the go, it doesn't have the same level of optimization or speed as mobile apps from other tools like Trello or Monday.com. So, if you're working mostly from your phone, this might be a drawback. The sixth thing is Flow's pricing structure. It's on the pricier side, especially for teams who want to unlock more advanced features. It can get pretty expensive if you need premium features for larger teams, whereas tools like Trello offer more flexibility with their free plans. Moving on, Flow's time tracking feature is decent, but not as extensive as what you get with other tools like Harvest or Toggle. If you're looking for a project management solution that deeply integrates time tracking, Flow might not be the best option for you. Another thing to note is that Flow doesn't offer as many customizable templates as some competitors. Tools like Monday.com and Asana give you a wider selection of templates that help teams hit the ground running faster. Flow does have templates, but they're relatively limited in scope. The ninth thing is Flow's customer support. While it's reliable, it's not as fast or as extensive as other platforms. If you run into technical issues, you might have to wait a bit longer for a response, compared to the instant support teams of larger competitors like ClickUp or Trello. The 10th thing is the lack of advanced project management features. For teams that need Gantt charts, portfolio management, or detailed workload management, Flow doesn't quite measure up to tools like Monday.com or Wrike, which offer more powerful project tracking capabilities. Next thing, Flow does have some basic automation features, but they are relatively simple compared to platforms like ClickUp, which offer more robust automation options. If automation is a big part of your workflow, you might want to look elsewhere. Finally, if you're considering Flow, you need to think about your long-term needs. While it's a solid option for small to medium-sized teams, if you're planning to scale or need more complex project management tools, it might fall short compared to larger competitors like Asana or Monday.com. In conclusion, Flow is a solid project management tool with a clean design, basic task management, and good collaboration features. However, it might not be the best fit for larger teams or those needing advanced features. If you're looking for a better solution that offers more functionality and flexibility, check out our recommended option that you can try for free.